In this clip, I want to talk to you about the difference between the bowl gouge, which is what we're going to be using to turn our bowl, and the spindle gouge, which is a turning tool, but it's used to turn something entirely different. If you have a rolling pin, or you have some chair legs, or some spindles on a stair baluster, that's what this tool is used for. The reason I want to point the differences out to you is that you could encounter some difficulty if you tried to turn a bowl using a spindle gouge. Let me explain to you what I mean. Notice the difference in the length of the tool. The bowl gouge is going to have a much longer handle, and that's because you're going to want to rest this tool on your hip when it's at all possible. Spindle gouges, you're not necessarily going to always want to rest this tool on your hip. The other primary difference is the flute. The flute is this shallow or indentation right here in the steel. The difference in the flute and the bowl gouge is much deeper. It's so that you can clear chips. Not quite as important when you're turning spindles.